Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You should start with the right file and clear intent. Pick your clip and trim to the moment that matters. Once done, crop to 9 by 16 or resize to 1080 x 1920 so Instagram displays full screen. Make sure the export is H.264 MP4 with reasonable bitrate and AAC audio. This prevents compression artifacts and upload failures. Now save a working copy and name it logically, because you'll be importing directly from your gallery into the Instagram app in the next step. You now import the prepared file, open Instagram, tap your story, then swipe up to select the video from your gallery. Once imported, trim any last frames and split longer clips into multiple 15-second segments. This maintains flow and prevents cutoffs. Make creative choices, add stickers, text, and music to increase engagement, and adjust timing so overlays don't block faces or captions. As you edit, preview each segment to ensure transitions feel natural, and that stickers or text remain on screen long enough to read. You're ready to share. Choose Send To and select your story or close friends. If you want broader reach, toggle cross-post to Facebook. Make sure to save the story to highlights or archive immediately if you want it longer than 24 hours, and save the original to your device for backups. If something goes wrong, like upload failure, check your network, confirm the file size and format, update the app, and clear cache. Then retry. This fixes most common issues and gets your story live.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.